Shannon and I met on the competition scene in Australia and were instantly drawn to each other as we shared an interest in adventure and an inner drive to make an impact on our crafts. It all started with a dream that eventuated into a 2-month journey across the North Sumatran islands of Indonesia. Planning was minimal, and we spent most of the time figuring things out as they came, saying yes to every opportunity that presented itself.
Welcome, love, you sound the same as always. Your fickle games now play as winter looms. So tell me, is someone, anyone's story? I keep falling to a single page.
Some days, we spent hours on a worn-out moped searching for waves. We would get into these cycles where we would just want to keep exploring.
Welcome time, I see you're on your back feet.
Eager to find out what awaited us around the next headland. We bogged, trying to cut through thick jungle, popped a bag tire, journeyed down bumpy paths, and a lot of times we had to turn around.
'Cause I keep falling to fate's empty.
But you could never take the smile off our faces. We were so happy to be chasing our dreams and exploring. And with that, it was only a matter of time before the next swell would come, or we would turn the next corner and find a sick wave.
Why are my legs so short? Update? Did you say update? We just try to go through the jungle. We're trying to find some surf spots, and we got a bit bugged, and then Shannon had to pull me out because I got tiny legs. Oh, God. Sorry. That was a bad one. That was my first bad one, of course. There we go. See? I did good. I'm learning.
Oh, that thing just spat. Oh my god. We're on. If you have a dream and if you see it so clearly in the back of your mind, then the sky's the limit. It doesn't matter what someone tells you or what you tell yourself. You know it's deep there, and you just need to keep pushing through all the obstacles and just remember that the obstacles are actually what make the special moments even better.
'Cause I've been searching on the journey to nowhere.
We went into this trip hoping to find pumping waves, but we got so much more than that. It was a realization that love is ever present and everlasting. It's always there, no matter how far you venture or how much you push yourself. As long as you have that spark that comes from deep within, you will be like a rock that stands unmoved while the raging sea crashes around it.
Wading waters, and climbing mountains. These fleeting moments we'll cherish forever. 'Cause I've been searching on the journey. I've been searching on the journey to know.